What's up? This is MC. Sa videong to ay itutuloy natin ang ating series na Elementary Mathematics at magbibigay tayo ng mas marami pang examples and exercises sa prime factorization, which is yung topic natin sa pinakahuli nating video. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung episode na yon, ay suggest na panoorin nyo muna yon para maintindihan nyo dahil medyo mas mabilis itong videong to. Dahil ang videong to ay sadya para lang magbigay ng mas marami pang examples and exercises. Unang example natin, 80. Pwede tayong magkaroon ng iba't ibang solution dito, but for the sake of the discussion, magbibigay lang ako ng isang solution. Kung iba yung solution na naisip nyo, ay pwede nyo naman itong i-share sa comment section. Ang unang number na naisip kong factor ni 80 ay 10, dahil yung last digit niya, 0. Sino ba ang kapartner ni 10 para makuha ang 80? 8. So 80 can be broken down into 8 and 10. To verify, 8 times 10, 80. So correct yung factors natin. Pero pareho silang hindi pa prime factor. Unahin natin sa 8. Sa 8, pwede ang isulat as 2 times 4. Then sa 10 naman, pwedeng isulat as 2 times 5. 4 is not yet a prime number. Pwede pa natin yung isulat as 2 times 2. So 4 can be broken down into 2 2's. At lahat yan, prime na. We can say that the prime factorization of 80 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Apat na 2, isang 5. Again, kung masyadong mabilis to, marahil hindi mo pa napapanood yung una nating episode. Which is why I highly recommend na panoorin mo muna yon. Next example, we have 33. 33 is obviously not divisible by 2. Bakit? Dahil yan ay isang odd number. Ang mga odd numbers, hindi sila divisible by 2. So kung hindi siya divisible by 2, try natin ng 3. Paano malalaman kung divisible by 3? Kunin yung digit sum. Ang digits ng 33 ay 3 and 3. Kapag inad, 6. 6 is obviously divisible by 3. Pero ano bang result kapag dinivide si 33 ng 3? Pwede nyong gawin to mentally, pwedeng on paper, or pwede rin gamit ang calcu. Kung gusto nyo munang i-compute, pwede nyo namang i-pause na ngayon yung video dahil sasabihin ko na yung sagot. 33 divided by 3 is 11. So pwede nating i-break down yung 33 into 3 and 11. And actually, 3 and 11 are already prime numbers. So, ang prime factorization ni 33 ay 3 times 11. Next example, 41. Think of a factor pair of 41. Na-realize nyo na ba na ang factor pair lang ni 41 ay 1 and 41, which is ini-exclude na natin sa prime factorization? So, actually, pwede natin sabihin na ang prime factorization ni 41 ay 41. Kasi yan lang yung prime factor niyan eh. Wala nang iba. Next example. 225. Obviously, hindi siya divisible by 2. Kasi yan ay odd number. So, pwede nyo rin naman itry sa 3. Pero ako una ko yan dinivide sa 5. Kasi mas obvious na divisible yan by 5. Yung last digit niya kasi, 5. Kapag dinivide nyo si 225 by 5, by any means, ang sagot doon, 45. So, 225 can be broken down into 5 and 45. 5 is already a prime number, but 45 is not yet. At si 45 ay equal sa 5 times 9. Again, 5 is already a prime number, but 9 is not yet a prime number. At pwede natin yan i-break down into 2 3's. 3 times 3. So, the prime factorization of 225, i-collect lang natin, ay 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. Final example, 420. Again, may last digit siya na 0, so divisible yan by 10. Ano ang kapartner ni 10? Alisin lang yung 0 sa 420, 42. 420 can be broken down into 10 and 42. 10 times 42, 420. And si 10 at si 42 ay parehong hindi pa prime numbers. Pareho silang even at hindi sila equal sa 2. So 10 can be broken down into 2 and 5. While 42 can be broken down into 6 times 7. 2 and 5 are already prime numbers as well as 7. However, si 6 hindi pa. At pwede natin yan i-express as 2 times 3. At lahat yan prime numbers na. At kung i-collect natin yan, we can say that the prime factorization of 420 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. At para mas ma-practice ang inyong learning sa videong to, ay i-access yung inihanda kong quiz. Pwede nyong scan yung QR code na nakapresent ngayon sa screen or i-click yung link na nasa description or nasa caption. Again, this is MC, always saying, think more often. Thanks for watching and see you in my other videos. Bye-bye.